Hey Darren, my name's Angelica, and I am going to go over three things that you can do today that would help impact your business immediately. We know a lot of businesses are struggling, and we just want to help make a difference. So, if at the end of this video, if you wouldn't mind, just reply back with a line of feedback. We want to make sure we're giving value to you guys, sharing these tips and tricks. So, we'll just go over three things in only a few minutes, so we'll get right into it. You guys have a great site. I love the theme here. That's so cute. I like that. Definitely the call to action. Use what you want. You want to have an easy way for them to just click the link, especially on a mobile device. So I would make that clickable. But the whole site definitely looks great. You've got a lot of content. I can see that certainly working. You want to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, especially on your homepage. Have pictures that are also named with the same words people are searching for. I see that you guys are losing some business with heating and air side. You guys look like you're doing pretty well with the plumbing side, but if you're looking to expand more, we could certainly help you guys there, and I'll show you what I mean. When people are searching for that in your area, this is what comes up. As you know, people are going to search for, they're typically going to go with whoever comes up in the section for the map pack or top in the organic section. The second thing is citations. You want to have at least 200 citations. And that is, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number that's registered with directories like yellowpages.com, Yelp.com, betterbusinessbureau.org. So we can also help you guys with the back end work. Well, you want at least 200. You guys have 26. We've done some work with the system here we use. And also the backlinks. If we kind of compare you guys with the competition in that area, this is this paid system we use called Arrows that shows how your website is performing. You guys have 333 keywords, which is good. We got 482 people that are coming to you on your site. With Gary's being one of the competitors in your location for that service, they've got 778 keywords. They've got 250 coming to their site. So with plumbing, heating, and air, you want to have all your service keywords kind of amped up. And that's one of the things I do see is one of the reasons you guys aren't in this section. Could be we want to kind of add more of the proper words that are for heating and air. Also, there's some things we can do with your actual Google My Business. When people Google that here and it comes up here, you want to make sure this is optimized as well. You've got 955 Google reviews, which is great. This actual wording here definitely makes a difference. And I don't really see much heating and air. There is HVAC, but it goes exactly how it is. It should be the actual words. So, and then citations, backlinks, all of that gives you more search engine juice. It gives you the authority to come up in this section here for that service. So we can work out a plan to kind of beef up your site and bring more of that traffic if you're looking to have more customers. We can certainly help you guys out. You can contact us back here at 806-790-8753. Again, my name's Angelica, and don't forget to just reply back with a line of feedback and see if we brought any value to you guys. We'll fill out a free Google review for you guys when we get that. Thank you so much. Would love to hear from you.